When production workers record component consumption and output manually, errors compound. Wrong quantities, missed lot numbers, unposted transactions, and Business Central falls out of sync with what actually happened on the floor. Warehouse Insight fixes that. Workers use Android handhelds to scan components directly against production order BOMs with configurable enforcement that prevents overconsumption and unauthorized substitutions. Every scan validates against Business Central in real time, so errors surface immediately, not after the production run is done and the materials are already used. On the output side, workers record finished goods quantities, auto-generate lot and serial numbers, and print item labels the moment output is recorded, all from the device, all without touching a desktop. Production workers, material handlers, and supervisors all benefit from tighter floor-to-system accuracy. To get started, reach out to your Microsoft partner.